Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulics set with one part manually operated, being this part with 1, 2, 3 pistons, and this part operated automated with 1, 2 pistons with the robo interface programmed via USB connected to a laptop where I program in Python. And this is a rubber band that operates when the program is running and is switched on and off by this piston, blocking or letting through a light beam, so a light switch. Last time I ended with a question: where did the water go? And that is what I want to focus on right now. And with a slightly different view, different camera, screencast, I have this camera view, Python coder, terminal for running the Python coder and writing. So, and to continue with the question all about the water. You can see here some air bubble, but it does operate same as last time. This will operate the same. Watertight here, watertight over there. No condense, no water that evaporates and goes other way into gas and disappears. So what has happened? Well, my guess is that other than last time, the temperature has significantly dropped. No summer anymore, really autumn. So that changes a lot with water, for water. So I guess that is what really has changed. What is there to do now? Well, last time, although I think I noticed something right here, it looks wet, but it may be a bit of mirroring of this stuff here. Anyway, what I want to do is speed up this screw pump and then see if this board is holding up, because that's what I worry about. Do I have to fix the two boards better than they are now or not? So let me run it. And you can see this is running quite fast. If I drop something on it, whatever it is, a fischertechnik lamp, for LED for example, that is basically how fast it goes. And the screw pump is touching now. It stops because it is blocking the light, I think. Light switch digital is 0. Pulling up, and light becomes 1. That's good. Okay, so that works. Let's shut it, and then screw pump. So that's 111, that's 2. Speed 2, speed 2, speed 2. And let's see how that works out. So double the speed. Double, what's in the name? Just 2. No. Is that really making a difference on the stiffness on the board? So I'll have to wait until it goes up again. Oh, I see here a significant amount of air in the second piston. Okay, quit, because that doesn't matter. Let's go to 4. And go. And I should change the camera position, because then you can see whatever happens over there. Okay, now it will be interesting to see what happens here. Okay, it doesn't bend. So, in a way, this is good. Let me change that. So, no problem here. I'm glad to see that. Right, and I changed now the speed to 6, almost maximum. Maximum is 7. So let's see what happens. And you can see this piston coming up quickly now. Does it block the light? Definitely. It went from 1. It's 0 now, and now it becomes 1 again. So yes, it does block the light, definitely. But what you also can see is that the air is giving it a bounce. Now changes to 0 again, that is good. So the bending of the plate is good, so I don't have to change anything here. Just the presence of the air is something I don't like, but as long as the response is like the way it is now, I don't mind. And let me also, this is going quite well, although manually, but it does go quite well. And indeed, because there are 2 pistons, they are only going halfway. And here, let me show on camera, here there's a socket of air. So, not quite sure how and why. If that was there, no, it wasn't there. So, water has entered here somehow, and water has entered here somehow, because last time it wasn't there. I'm quite sure of it. Still a question to ask. or to find out how does that happen. And I think I solved my air problem. Well, solved in the way that I know why it happens. If I limit it to the manual operated one, this is not that hard to do. However, when I cover this part, it's a lot harder to do, because I'm blocking the air that's on top of the piston. And the same way it goes, of course, here with this one, which is automated. And my idea is that the pistons are not airtight. They are not air-proof. So each time there comes a little bit of air in it, which each time up and down, a little bit of air goes along it, by it, whatever the term is, and then you get air in the system. That's the only explanation I can think of. And if you see now, it's not even going entirely in. And last time, previous video, it did. There's now a bubble of air here. So yeah, I think with, and here in this part, even 3 pistons, 3 times as much air. And that comes in the hose. And then you have a problem then. So you have to refill or release the air in some way. How? That's a good question. I don't know. But anyway, that is my suspicion that happens. And with this possible cause of entrance of air in, coming into both hydraulic systems, I thank you for watching. Speeding up the screw pump doesn't ruin the system, it doesn't even bend the plates, so that's a positive point as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support this channel and my blog, etc. By becoming a patron or donate via either PayPal or IBAN. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.